Good morning, YouTube. What's up? It's Bryan with Winning Edge Carwash. Shout out to all my Winning Edge lifestyle people. We are not in sunny Florida today. This rain is playing with my emotions.
No! God, please, no! No! No!
Because, of course, it always affects the car wash schedule. It doesn't matter whether it is good that we had a shop or not. I think we just got blessed yesterday because sometimes it still don't work out. Even though we had a shop, you know, we don't have like a lot of certain type of jobs lined up to where people want their interiors done and stuff like that. Only the shop just don't work out because I ain't never been a sitting duck, and that's what I love about this mobile detailing situation. I can go where the money at if the money ain't coming to me. So today, I really don't think the money's gonna come to me because of the certain person that we had on the list. And like even yesterday, even though we had a great day, we had like 2 to 3 jobs that canceled on us that we could have got done possibly, you know what I'm saying? But like I said, I'm not even complaining. I actually do need to do a few things that pertain to like getting better with, you know, scheduling the work and stuff like that. So it's when you're trying to create something, it's stressful because, you know, you try something and then it could be going well, but then you want it to go better, and then it's always something along the way that is stressful, man. Like if I had the answer, I probably wouldn't be on here talking about it, to be honest with you. We just be on go mode. So that's what we trying to do. We trying to figure out how to get on go mode with all this. But y'all can see, man, it's all that rain on my windshield. It's definitely not sunny Florida, and it's a Friday, so that's just a horrible combination right now. I'm actually looking to go get my hair cut, so hopefully the guy is at his building. Go ahead and be a walk-in this morning. Hopefully I be there by this like 6:48 in the morning. I went on ahead and got out of the house early so I can go ahead and get me a little bit of content and stuff like that, because obviously I don't even know what the weather's gonna be. This might just be a talking video today. I know I have to hit some stores and get some stuff for the trailers and stuff like that, but I ain't gonna lie, man. With the way the weather looking today, I just want to get somewhere and sit down. Damn, I got Colorado right now. Boys getting smart. Them boys say they ain't gonna get no big trucks or big wheels. We gonna get the small truck with the medium wheels. I'm with it. Yeah. Okay. So I see the barbershop. They ain't over yet. We gonna just go ahead and make this little turn up in here. Boy, Melanie's is jumping this morning. Yes, sir. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is I think I'm gonna go grab me a bite to eat and kind of mosey along and see what happens today, but I really ain't trying to get out here and play in this water if I had to. Oh, y'all, excuse me. I'm sleepy, I'm tired. It's been a long week. We still got some more to do tomorrow. I'm gonna get some work in if the weather permits, because obviously today it's not gonna be one of them hard working days at the moment. I don't think nobody worried about getting their car washed, so. But that's the whole thing too with this entrepreneurship. I came up with something that I can make some money off of, which was washing cars, and it has worked out tremendously well. But it is affected by the weather, and I need something that's steady, that, you know, I can always get the money no matter what they're doing. And it's gonna come with time, in due time. I got some ideas and stuff like that that's in the works, so I just wanted to pay attention to this car wash and get it going as best as I could. So I'm gonna go ahead and give me something to eat, figure out what I'm gonna do the rest of the day, and get back to y'all. You know how it goes.